Hello guys, my name is Vijay Kumar Waka. I'm working as Senior Solution Consultant in Epicero. Today let us discuss about how to run multiple Mule applications in Anypoint Studio. So for that I have created two applications. One is PAPI, that is Process API. The other is SAPI, that is System API. So basically we know how to run a single application in Anypoint Studio, right? For example, if I want to run this particular application, that is SAPI, so we'll right click on this and we'll go to the run configurations. So we'll run this SAPI, right? So if I click on run, so we'll be able to run this particular single application in the Anypoint Studio, right? This we all know. Then how can we run multiple applications at a time in Anypoint Studio? That is the agenda for this session. Deployed. You see SAPI. The status of this deployment is deployed. So this way we can uh, deploy a single application, a single Mule application in the Anypoint Studio, right? Now, in order to this we all know. Now, in order to deploy multiple applications at a time, so we'll see that. Okay, and when we'll have to deploy multiple applications, that is what we are going to discuss in this session. Okay, so let me terminate this now. So we have seen this, how to run a single Mule application. So everyone of us knew about this. Now let's see how to run multiple Mule applications. So when to go for this option, when we need to run multiple Mule applications. That is when you work on API-led connectivity. So where you'll create a multiple Mule applications, right? Like Experience API, Process API, and System API. So when you create an integration with this model, okay, then you may have to uh, test the applications locally as well. So in that case, if you send the request from Experience API, okay, to PAPI, so you'll use HTTP request, right? And the same between PAPI and SAPI. So you'll use HTTP request. So in order to make sure if the request is passing from Experience API to Process API or Process API to System API, or sometimes in API-led connectivity, we'll use Experience API and SAPI itself. It all depends actually. But the agenda of our discussion is how to send a request from one API to another API. So in that case, we have to make both the applications up and running in our local, right? Or in the Anypoint Studio. So that is what we will see now. So so in order to run an application, right? So go to right click on a project, click on run as and run configuration. So here what you do, uh, here you have to right click on new configuration, and now you have to rename this. For example, I'll keep it as run multiple applications. It can be anything. You can name as per your choice. So now I'm going to choose both the applications or the applications whatever I want to run in the single go. Even you can pick up three, four, multiple. Okay. So now you have to click on apply so that you see in the Mule applications you could see one more configuration got added. Okay, previously we were having PAPI and SAPI. Now we have created one more configuration and we have picked both the applications, right? Now let me click on uh, run. So before this, right? So we have created a new configuration. Let me close this. Now what I will do, first I will debug this. So basically, um, in both the applications, right? I have added the breakpoints. Okay. Even in the SAPI, I have added the breakpoint. So first we'll see if the request is being sent from PAPI to SAPI and the response is coming from SAPI to PAPI. Okay. So for that, I'm going to use this debug configurations. Okay. Click on debug configurations and select this, whichever we have created just now, right? Just select it and click on debug. So if I talk about this flow, right, basically I'm just sending a request, HTTP request from PAPI to the SAPI, okay, where I have configured HTTP listener configuration, right? And I'm just sending a response that is status equal to Status is success. That's it. A JSON response. We'll get back to the process API. So now I'm debugging. So you see, as soon as the scheduler got invoked, right? Now so uh, this got activated, right? Now let me click on next. So now because it's a HTTP request, the request is being was sent to this particular SAPI. Now let me click on next and um, okay, we have a timeout issue here. So let me click on this very quickly. Okay, now you see we got the response. So let me clear this. Let us send this request once again. Uh, okay, I have configured the scheduler frequency as 30 seconds. So next time, right? Let us click on next very quickly. Okay, yeah. So click on next quickly so that we'll not get any timeout error. See, we got the response, right? Logger from SAPI. So that is, so first the request is being sent from PAPI and to the SAPI, and we are setting this payload. And here we have a logger with value logger from SAPI. That is what you could see here, logger from SAPI. And when the request is sent back, okay, you could see this, right? That is status as success. So this way you can test the applications by running multiple mule applications locally in the Anypoint Studio. I hope you understood something out of this. Thank you for listening to my video. Thank you so much.